Hey YouTube, welcome to Credit Viral. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get soft pull financing, a very easy approval process. Yes, with this one, you can fulfill any wish you have for these holidays. Yes, you have heard it right. And remember that right after this video, I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $15,000 credit card with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. And remember that in this video, I will take you on a tour of this application, as well as I will tell you each and every perk, including the upsides and the downsides of this financing option. So please watch this video till the end and don't forget to like this video. It really helps the channel grow. At the same time, it motivates us to bring more great content just for you. So now, without wasting any time, let's start the video, and here is a countdown. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So right here in front of you, here is an amazing opportunity for a lot of people, especially for those people who are willing to do the holiday shopping, but because of this pandemic, they are unable to do that. Yes, with this option, you can get pre-qualified offers, and those pre-qualified offers are actually confirmed offer with just a soft pull, which will allow you to get financing from this financial institution, or you can say store, known as ACORNS. Yes, they will give you a financing of up to $5,000, and I believe some people can get financing up to $15,000, but it totally depends on different factors, and I will tell you each and everything in detail. So I will tell you all these steps that you need to take in order to get this financing, including the benefits and why the cons is different. So yes, you are going to know each and everything. The great thing about this one, that they have very great reviews, and you can say even the rating is pretty awesome. 4.2. Very few stores and financial institution has this sort of rating. So yes, they are there when you need them. But there are two sort of things as well. They do have financing, they do have one in-store financing, and they do have lease to own program as well. So I'm not talking about lease to own program because I will talk about it in a different video, but right here I am going to talk about the financing. So let's talk about it and get into it. I will take you on a tour of its application as well, so please bear with me. So right here they said that the lowest payment tailored to you. Good credit or building credit will work with you to make it happen. Yes, that's what their claim is, that if you have good credit or you are in the rebuilding phase, means you have a bad or worse credit, they will still work with you and they will still try their level best to approve you for their financing. And remember, they have pre-qualification, and what pre-qualification means, it's no impact to your credit score. Yes, you have heard it right, it will not impact your credit score at all, so keep that in mind. But now let's talk about the benefits of ACORNS Home Plus. According to them, it's affordable monthly payments with our low payment finder. Yes, they have an option, a tool that you can say that you can actually do monthly payment to them. And the great thing about it as well, that they report to all 3 credit bureaus. Yeah, this is an amazing opportunity. The second one, top brands in appliances, electronics, furnitures, and mattresses. Yes, if you are looking to buy any appliances, electronics, furnitures, or mattresses, or anything, you can do that. They have pretty vast inventory, and you can use this financing to actually finance pretty much anything with them. The third one is that access to 0% interest offer on select qualifying purchases, and of course there are terms as well. So You can get 0% financing on some selected merchandise, so please keep that in mind. It's not on all the merchandise, on all of the things, but some selected things, so keep that in mind. The other one is that the fast delivery and service pros ready to assist you. Of course, if you finance anything, so their claim is that they will deliver it in the next 22 to 48 hours to your doorstep. So please keep that in mind. This is also an amazing benefit that they have. Pay your way online, in-store, or by mail. Of course, just like any other financial institution, you can pay it with online, in-store, or by mail. They have all three options. And now, as I told you already, you can build your credit with a low monthly payment. You know that the monthly payment, or you can say the payment history, has a big portion in credit reports. So what it means, if you are paying your bills on time, you're making your payments on time every month, it will greatly help your credit score and it will build your credit in no time. So yes, it has a big portion, the payment history, so please keep that in mind. Never ever miss a payment, it will ruin your credit. If you have made some mistakes in the past, don't worry about it. Never say never. You will have the option to build your credit, and of course by making on-time payments, just by making payments for past 6 months, or you can say just for 6 months, you can build your credit. So yes, that's what it is. So now let's see how the application looks like. So right here we're gonna click on get started. So as soon as you click on it, this page will open right here. They will ask you what you need, so you can actually click on anything. They have pretty much anything. For example, right here I'm gonna click on TV and electronics, and they're gonna ask you how much you need. So I'm gonna put $2,000, right? Then I'm gonna click next. As soon as I click next, they will ask me that, hey, I'm a new customer, I have an account, or I have a reference code. So let's click on I am a new customer. So as soon as I click on it, it will give me a form which appears like this, right? So right here they require your first name, your middle initials if you have any, your last name, your email address, your cell phone number, your home phone number if you have any, and cell phone number would be enough, your street address, your apartment, your zip code, your city, and your state. But keep that in mind, this is a pre-qualification. It is not going to affect your credit score. As they say right here, there is no impact to your credit score and no obligation. So please keep that in mind. When you fill this form, it will not impact your credit score in any way. And with this soft pull, they will give you an offer, and if you accept the offer, then they will do a hard pull. But remember that hard pull will not change the decision they have given you with just a soft pull. So it means that hard pull is just a requirement from them. So please keep that in mind. And remember that right after this video, I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $15,000 credit card with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. And please like this video, it helps the channel grow and it helps and motivate us to bring more great content just for you. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.